students. In the previous video we have already solved question number 1 from practice set 15.6. We have discussed area of circle. I hope few of them at least have tried the activity at home. If not, please do the activity so that you will learn better. You will remember the formula for a long period of time than just by hearting. Okay. So first part of the question is done. Question number 1 is completed. Under question number 1, 2, 3, 3 questions were there to find out the area. Now we are going to solve question number 2 from your practice set 15.6. So what you can see in the question number 2 is nothing but areas of some circle is given and you are going to find out diameter, not even the radius. Okay, with the help of area of circle only we are going to solve this. With the help of area of circle, what was area of circle? Pi r square. So with the help of the area of circle we will get the answer for radius. Now what is diameter? It is nothing but double of radius. Okay, so somewhere in your notebook before beginning with question number 2, write down D, that is nothing but diameter. Okay, diameter is equal to 2 times r. That means double of radius is nothing but the diameter. Okay, so you need to write this and put it in a box, highlight it so that whenever you study for the chapter, when you revise, the formula is there in front of you. Okay, so this is what is diameter? Nothing but 2 times r. R is radius. So using this we are going to solve now the first question. First question given as what? Area is 176 square centimeter. How we are going to solve? You know the area of circle formula. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Now, area already given 176 is equal to how much? Pi value you know it is 22 upon 7 into radius we are going to find out. We will put it as r square. Now, what are we going to do here? We are going to shift this number towards here. When you do the shifting of a fraction, what happens is you take the reciprocal of that number. Correct? Reciprocal means the reverse one. So here 7 will come and 22 will be in the denominator. Okay? So what you are going to write? 176 into 7 upon 22 is equal to r square. Now, just check, can we divide? 176 gets divided by 22 or no? You can also divide first by 11. Just check whether 176 is divisible by 11. If possible, you can cancel this first by 11. And then, whatever you get, again you need to cancel, you can find the answer. Or you can see the number, whether it is coming in 22 stable or not. How can you check that? Now, 22 is here, correct? You can see the last digit as 2. When you multiply, 2 how much are the last digit we get as 6. 2 3s are we get 6, correct? If you multiply with 3 we get 6. And one more number, 2 how much are? 2 8s are we get 16. So last digit 6 is there. Here also we want 176. Now check whether 22 3s are is how much? Whether you are getting 176? No, we are getting 66. Then next number what you have to check? 22 into 8. Whether you are getting 176? Yes, we are getting 176. So what is the answer? 8. Okay, this is just an example I have told you all. You can solve in your own way, not necessarily you have to follow what I am showing. You can check whether it comes in 22 stable or not in any other way. Okay, so we can cancel 22 and 176. 22 how much are? 8 is 176. What is remaining here? 7 8s are 56 is equal to r square. Clear? Now, r square is 56. So what will be the value of r? That is nothing but we have to take the square root. 56. There is no perfect answer for root 56. So we'll keep it as it is. Now we'll find out diameter, because what is asked in the question, you need to find out diameter. Diameter is nothing but D is equal to 2 times R. So D is equal to 2 into root 56. Therefore diameter is equal to 2 root 56 centimeter. This is your answer. Okay. Now we shall do the second one. Now students, the second question, it is in decimal point, so while calculating you need to be careful enough. Now what is given area as 394.24 is equal to pi value, you have to substitute 22/7 into r square. Okay. Now what are you supposed to do here? Shift here, same way like the previous one, no much changes. 394.24 into 7/22 is equal to r square. First, don't consider the decimal point. Just imagine this is 39,424. Okay. Now, as this number is bigger, now you know 11 2s is 22. So just check 11 how much I will give you this number. So first you can find out 39,424 divided by 11. Here we know 11 2s are 22. 11 how much I will give this number? So here 11 3s are 33. Remainder 6, carry 4 down. 11 5s are 55. So you are getting 9, and here you are getting carrying 2 down. 11 8s are 88. Remainder is 4, carrying the 4 again down. 11 4s are 44. So you are getting the answer, remainder as 0, correct? So here what you are going to write? Before that, just check. And here you see it was not 39,424, instead it is a decimal point, 394.24. Now answer also before 2 digit. Now here 1 2 before 2 digit you are going to put the decimal point. So here also you are going to put a decimal point before 2 digits. So what will be the answer? 35.84. Now you can see it is 2 and 35.84. So again it can be cut. 2 how much are you will get? 35.84. So you can again check. Okay, divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 1 5, 2 7s are 14, 1 8, 2 9s are 18, carry 4, and then 2 2s are 4. But here it was 35.84, so here answer also before 2 numbers you are going to put a decimal point. So what answer you are getting? 17.92. So what is remaining? In the next step you have to write it down, students, so that you will not miss out anything. 17.92 into 7 is equal to r square. Now just check how much you are getting. So it is a decimal point, students, so you have to be very careful with the calculations. Okay. Now 17.92 into 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 9s are 63 plus 1. 4 6 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 6 55. 7 1s are 7 plus 5 12. And there is a decimal point, so here also before 2 numbers you are going to put the decimal point. So what answer you got? 125.44 is the r square. We don't want r square, we want r. So what you are going to do? R is equal to square root of 125.44. Now as there is a decimal point and you are supposed to take the square root, we have to remove the decimal point so that it becomes easy. Now how will you remove the decimal point here? You can see before how many numbers the decimal point is put up before? 2 numbers. So how many zeros we will put with 1 is 2 zeros. Square root of 12,544 upon 100 if you do, you can remove the decimal point. You have to check how many numbers before how many numbers decimal point is put up. 2 numbers. So what you will write? 100. If it is 1 number, if it is 1254.4, only after decimal point only 1 number is there. So what you are going to write? Divided by 10. Now as you can see 2 numbers here, you are putting divided by 100 so that we can remove that decimal point. Clear? Now, do you all know the square root of 12,544? It's not possible, correct? Now, what you can do here? From numbers 10, 20, 30, 40 till 100, okay? The square root is easy to find out. Yes or no? 10 square, 100. 20 square, 400. 30 square, 900. So goes on. Till 100 also if we check, we are not going to reach till 12,000. What is 100 square? 4 zeros will come, so it is 10,000. So you know it is more than 10,000. 12,000 is more than 10,000, correct? So it is more than 100. Okay? 100 square is 10,000. We want how much? 12,000. So for sure, whatever number is there between 100, that number is not the square root of this number. Correct? Now you have to check the last one. 4. From 1 to 10, which numbers square at the end, units place, you will get 4. 2 2s are 4. One more number. 8 8s are 64. Rest from 1 to 10, no other numbers. While taking the square, last digit is 4. Correct? So you know either at the end the number will be 2 or it will be 8. And we know it is more than 100. Okay? You can either check whether it could be 102 or it could be 108. But students, what is 11 square? 121. So what would be 111 square? 110 square? Yes, we have taken 100 square, 10,000. 110 square will be how much? 121, 2 zeros. Correct? 12,100. We are almost near to 12,544. That means the number, the square root is after 110. So after 110, only possibility is it could be 112 or it could be 180. First check whether it is 112 or not. Just multiply 112 into 112. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Multiplied by 1, so 2 1 1. 2 1 1. So how much you are getting? We get 4 4. So here when you add, you will get 12,544. So what is our answer? What is the square root of 12,544? Is nothing but 112. Now students, did you all understood or not? I am not sure about it. Now any other method to find out square root, any shortcut, any Vedic math you know, you can follow that. This is just I am telling here, you are just doing the guesswork. Okay. What we did here, I am just revising it again. First we saw 12,544. Now 12,544, at least till 100 you all know. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 till 100 you all know the squares. With multiplication at least you will know. So you know 100 square is reaching till 10,000 maximum. That means from 1 to 100, none of the numbers square is 12,544. Now what is the next option? It will be for sure more than 100. Then what we did, we saw last number is what? 4. Okay. Now from 1 to 10 everyone knows the square, right? So in which number square when we take last digit we get 4. So that is 2 2s are 4 we get, and last one more number is 8 8s are 64. So last digit 4. So either for that number last digit will be 2 or 8. Okay, that much we know, and it will be more than 100. Just check, 100 square is 10,000. So 110 square how much? 121 is 11 square. So you know 121 and 2 zeros if you put, so you are getting 12,100. So you are very near to this number 12,544. That means the number is more than 110. Not even 100 and 110 के बीच में, none of the numbers you will get the answer. More than 110. And after 110 it is very near, 12,000 till we reached. We just want 544. So what I said, last number 4, which number is having either 2 or 8. So just check 112 or 118. Multiply 112 into 112. Check whether we are getting 12,544. If not, then you have to go to next number, that is, you will not check 113, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 because 7 7s are 49. Last digit you will get 9. We want last digit 4. So next number directly you will go for 118. So like that you should use some or the other tricks to find out the answer. Now if you are finding this method difficult, forget it. Use any other method to find the square root, but you need to find out the square root. So you have to find out some or the other way. YouTube videos, many videos are there related how to find out square root easily. So you can see any other method also. Okay, now we shall continue. What we are getting the answer over here is 112. What is square root of 100? Everyone knows it is nothing but 10. So 112 divided by 10. What is the answer? 11.2 centimeter. What is this 11.2? That is nothing but radius. We are going to find out diameter. How to find out diameter? 2 times the radius. So that is nothing but 2 times 11.2. How much? 11.2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Correct? Put a decimal point before how many number? Only 1. So your answer will be 22.4 centimeter is your diameter. Okay? This is how you are supposed to solve. So any other method, any easy method, if you know, you can follow that also. Okay? Third question, we shall do it in the next class. Also, there are question number 3 and 4 that we shall do it in the next class. Okay? So that's all for today, students. Make sure you're completing your notes and the basic concepts like finding square root, squares till 25 you should know, and how to add, how to multiply, how to divide when decimal point is there. All such basic questions, do practice more, then only you will be able to solve such questions. Okay? So practice, learn, revise the formula every day. Few or the more problems do solve, so it will be easy for you all to move on with the chapters. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much everyone. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.